mga Junakis? Today we are at Bahay Bundok and we are gonna explore the things at this.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are the someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick?
I'm pretty sure Antipolo is a province, right? That is the Oma TV23 or my grandfather's cutting tree. He's trying to do some witchcraft or something. What? Right, so guys, so papunta tayo. Wait, i-change ko lang yung camera. So, nakikita nyo, meron coconut doon, so pupunta natin. Ah! Sorry guys, hintik na ako madulas. Baka na madahon dito. Guys, so, yan o.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut. But
Meron din mga, hindi ko nga alam kung meron saging. Guys, tignan nyo. Parang pinuntahan niya itong isa kay Rizal.
ang galing, ang galing.
Leaf pile! Leaf pile! I'm gonna go there. It's a leaf pile. Hello guys! So, yung nagsabi ako ng ranking best crunchy moments, naririnig nyo ba ang lutang well, you guys know, I don't know if there are some snakes here, but I'm not scared of snakes. I'm scared of them if they're venomous. Oh, that was a giant leaf. Yeah. Can I have some? Yeah. So, we're at Antipolo. I'm pretty sure this is where they took a bath back then in 1991, I think. I regret thinking that. The ants will be mad at me. The ants will be mad at me. Oh my! If you were a 7-year-old, you would not go down here because it's very dahony and I don't know how to say that. It's fall, guys. It's autumn. It's autumn. It's not autumn. It's very autumn. It's autumn and fall combined. Guys, so we will just skip the part. Oh, hello, Fluffy. His name is Fluffy. We haven't fed him. Nope, I'm sorry. So let's just skip. I don't like the job application. Let's skip. Guys, we are back at the house. It's only us now. Okay.
Yeah, kapag naman, magaganda ko, pakagaling mo ako.
Alright. What to say? Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. But no, I'm joking. This is not the end of the video. This is not the end of the video. I will just skip it. We're just gonna do some things.
Everyone's changing, I stay the same. I'm the soul look shallow outside of chorus.
Alright.